Yokohama intends to transcend time and distance with their Geolandar tyres. And boy, do they deliver. They've proven that they're more than just a fancy tagline, with how well they do on both city roads and rougher terrain. In the world of tyres, one way to look at it is that Geolandars are to a crossover or SUV what Air Jordans are to a sneakerhead. So, Geolandar, what's in the name? Well, Geo represents Earth and Land represents land, yeah, I guess. And the is actually derived from the word gear, which is a nod to the usefulness and functionality of tools and equipment. Here, I have the all-terrain G015, which is made out of an enduro compound, which increases durability and also allows for flexibility when you're tackling those uneven road surfaces. It's going to be really useful, especially if you're traveling up north. Right here, I've got the HT G056, which are meant for the more beastly 4x4 all-wheel drive vehicles. And you would be forgiven if you thought the HT actually stands for honestly terrific, given how extra smooth these tyres are on the highway. It's got adaptive shoulder blocks which help prevent uneven wear. Plus, the pattern includes 4 main zigzag grooves together with lug grooves and 3D sipes to give you a silky smooth ride. Here we have the G058, which is a quiet monster of a tyre, and it takes advantages of the polymer compounds and macro silica to give you amazing stability regardless of the weather. It fits most OE cars in the 15 to 18-inch range, and it will deal with whatever terrain your malfunctioning navigation app takes you through while being deadly silent. Science. Today, however, we'll be rolling with the Geolandar's CV's G057, which is basically the same as the 058s, but for vehicles with higher dimensions. It's perfect for SUVs with 19 to 21-inch rim size. So basically, all the goodies on the 058 on the 057. It's a great set of tyres because usually, when choosing tyres, you have to decide between better traction and something that's more comfortable, less noisy on the road. But the fact that these Yokis excel in both these departments really puts it on the map as one of the better tyre options out there. If you don't trust some random uncle on YouTube though, you don't have to. Just check out what these tyres have won for their design and performance. The tyres are designed to handle the bends brilliantly, so you don't have to suffer from skid anxiety, even when on uneven surfaces or in bad weather. It brakes like a charm. And as mentioned, it remains super quiet. This really should get a Liberian's seal of approval for low noise production. You'll find the decibels don't spike much even when you go through rougher or sandier terrain, and it still handles like a champ. So, if you're looking for a set of tyres for your vehicle that will give you that sweet sense of assurance, whatever the weather or the terrain, while being as quiet as a mouse, then look no further, these shoes are for you.